In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to reset Insta360 X4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to perform a factory reset on your Insta360 camera. I'm gonna be talking about how to do this on the X4, however, you can follow along with other models as well. So the same process and the same steps that I cover in this video will work for models like the X3. So to perform a factory reset, you have to power on the Insta360 camera and access these settings inside. Sadly, if your camera is not powering on or you are unable to use the display, this method will not work for you. But if you have access to the display, then power on the camera and swipe down from the top or until you see the shortcut menu. Inside of the shortcut menu, you have to go into the settings, so tap on this gear icon to access the settings on your Insta360 camera. Inside of the settings, if you scroll down, you will find Reset Camera. So the option is labeled as Reset Camera and not Factory Reset. Keep that in mind. Immediately upon tapping this, you will be able to confirm if you want to perform a full factory reset. As you can see, this will only reset the camera settings, it won't delete any files. So all that you have to do is choose the confirm option. Immediately upon selecting confirm, you just have to give it some time and all of the settings that you have configured will be reset. So it's as simple as confirming and letting the setup process do its thing. You will be able to select the language again and go through the process as if it was new. So language selection, the options, personal preferences, and so on. And you only have to do this once. After you perform the reset, it should help clear out any temporary glitches that you might be having on your Insta360 camera. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset Insta360 X4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.